Hey guys, we're back with the video and today's my birthday. 18th January. Tuesday, but it's my birthday. Yay! My fever. Wow, that's not that big, is it? But yes, it's my birthday, so yay. I'm playing the first game I ever played, so that would make my mood. Okay. If you don't know, I started YouTube when I was 8. I made weird videos back then. I made gaming videos. What is wrong with this mouse? It's not working. This mouse is weird. I don't know what's wrong with it. I think it's just the plug. And today's my birthday. Don't waste time. Ask everybody you know to subscribe. Because if they don't, then how's a birthday? It's not a birthday then. That'll make me sad. And even more sad, notification buttons. I like on every video I've posted. Well, except, I guess, the real ones. That are not on gaming. Yeah. And I don't use Facecam because I don't know how to. On laptop. JK. Camera problems, of course. Camera. Hey, buddy! It's the same thing! What? You're gonna buy an egg? I'm buying an egg. Oh, actually perfectly enough. Mouse. Go. I'm not gonna press X because I know this is broken. Okay, what the? What? What? Yeah, that was weird. You have more eggs than me. You have more B types. Oh. I think it's time to use Star Jelly. How many of these do I need though? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 more beads, and how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And then I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Need 9, and then I can do it. So I need 2 more. I'm gonna put the Star Jelly middle to show them how appreciated it's supposed to be. Tickets, I don't know if, you know what? I'm not gonna spend 1 more. Well, I can spend 2 more, but I'm not gonna spend another. And I forgot. Okay. I watched my video again, and then I was looking at trivia. I need treats. Just buy a few. Did I get enough? How many trees did I get? 19? Come on, need to go back. Wow. That's annoying. And I can't even afford more than 21. Wow. I have to do this quest because it's annoying just looking at it every day. Snow bear, panda bear for gold. Bamboo and stuff. Why is it so easy? I'm not doing it. For some reason I'm not doing it. You know, let's do this bee. Where is it? This bee. Go with my mom. We're gonna spend more than there we go. Yay. It's smart doing them parts, but don't waste your thingy. Can be useful. And what about this? Gingerbread man. Need it. Yes, that's good. Yay! What do I have to do? 30 treats? Oh, I have a lot of blueberries, don't I? Yeah, a lot. By the way, in real life, I love blueberries and strawberries too. Cherries, wow, that's so good. What did I get? Honestly, no treats. Gingerbread cookie. Let's do to baby. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! 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 4 levels in once. Nice. How much is the next egg? I'm not I just don't know. How much is a parachute? Cost 500? Wow, that's more or less than I actually wanted it to be. Yeah, I wanted it to be more or less, but I mean, it's more or less than I expected. You know what I expected? About 5,500,000. And I remember it used to be hard to get that much money, and now I mean, you can do it easily because I mean, when you know how to play the game easily, and you actually play this game, you know that, and if you know how to play the game, you will probably know that it's more easier to just you know, get these boots and run around. Because when you run around, you get a lot of these XP tokens. Plus, you get speed. And if you have boots, you even get the pollen for free. I mean, I'll give you a tip. Get pollen. Okay, no. Whatever. Get the boots and try to get the belt too, because those will come very handy. And how do I get a moon charm? I flipping don't remember. Boom, 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 boom. Pineapple picking. Oh, this was a quest. Nice. I just came here to just, you know, get some honey to easy and honey. Don't know that was here. I only have 11 times. I just need one more time to get back more easily. Okay. Fine. Oh wait, Brown Bear. What's Brown Bear doing here? I mean, what do I have to do for Brown Bear? Well, maybe I haven't done something for Brown Bear? What have I done? Nothing. That's a quest. What's the quest? Wipe roof. It's a wipe hole in one. Actually, I have enough backpack space right now. I could do that, probably. Black bear, and I need more treats. How do I get treats? Oh wait, yeah, I can buy them. How do I get, you know, what is it called? What am I thinking of again? Extract on. How does it stay? Stay on forever. Doesn't, that's cool. Burn, you fire monster. Bumblebee! Yeah, I need to put a thingy. You hit so many times on this. You know, when you get the time, that's so better. Like, time 5 in Mushroom Field is so big. I'm getting a white pollen as well. I don't know what I get from this. Wow! This guy's trying to do this. Sprout. You can't do the sprout because sprout takes a long time. You don't know that. I'm just doing a quest. He thinks I'm trying to help. No, actually. I'm trying to do a quest. There we go. Boom, boom, boom. Let's just fill up my backpack. There we go. Ah, done. Yay. And plus badges are. We can get tickets from them. Any badges that I'm close to doing? Never got to these fields. Okay, I got into this part. Cactus field, yeah. Pumpkin, yeah. Pumpkin and cactus are very close to each other, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. All the ones that are green color that I've done. I've never gotten goo. But it shows I have goo, so I think I've got to the big board. I guess. What's goo? I don't know. 10k honey, nice. What's the next quest? 16k pollen? Wow, these are easy. Pollen fetcher number 2? Wow, you get so many of these, you know, texts. You know, it takes forever to even look at them. This cool 10k. Wow, where this? I need to get the parachute. I mean, it would be so much easier to move around then. If you don't know what parachute do, they will move you around fast and fast. You'll zoom around the world. Radbee's an okay bee, I'm not gonna lie. I need 2 more bees. Oh, wow. Wait. Oh, I did have that one. Sorry, I forgot about these pickaxes and stuff. There's a blue bubbly one too, if you don't know. It's like a, you know how you blow out a bubble? Yeah, that I had that one too. This will go straight, like this one, it will go straight and it'll go a little further though. And it'll mine real quicker. It's so much better. And the bubble one is just like the vacuum one. So yeah. Let's just quickly, you know, go to a view like this. Yay! I'll get Paul and I'll go to bed. Brown bear. I should never look